away your job today, would your skills still be able to generate income? Let's talk about 5 skills you can learn in 30 days that can increase your earning power. Yeah, yesterday we talked about starting with $0. Today I want to show you something more powerful. Skills create income stability. Money without skills disappears. Skills without money can still produce income. So skill number 1, social media management. Small businesses struggle with posting consistently. If you learn how to create simple posts, schedule content, respond to comments, you can manage pages for local businesses and charge monthly. You don't need to be sophisticated. You need consistency and content skills. Skill number 2, graphic design using Canva. You don't need expensive software. Learn Canva. In 30 days, you can master flyers, social media graphics. You can do business cards. You can do simple logos. A lot of churches and small shops, event planners, they all need designs. Skill number 3, copywriting. This is simply writing words that sell. Businesses need captions. They need descriptions, they need email messages, they need advert content. So if you can write clearly and persuasively, you can charge for it. Right. So let me say something important. Stop saying, I don't have opportunities. Opportunities follow skill. Skill number 4, basic bookkeeping. Many small businesses don't know how to track income and expenses properly. So if you learn simple Excel, basic expense tracking, if you learn invoice management, you can offer bookkeeping support to small entrepreneurs. Skill number 5, video editing. Right, so this is everywhere. Everybody is doing videos. If you can cut clips, add subtitles, improve sound, add simple transitions, content creators and businesses will pay you for that. And you can learn this from free tutorials. You don't need to pay. All right. You don't need to learn all 5. Just pick one. Focus for 30 days. Practice daily. Offer your service even before you feel ready. Income growth is not about luck. It's about upgrading yourself. Right. So comment below, which skills are you choosing